Hi, Ate.
Oh, what is it?
I have something for you
What
guys.
is it? What is it? What is it?
I gave you earlier the Repellix, right?
Yeah.
For the mosquito. And now I have something for you because it's crisis.
Okay.
This is for you guys.
Oh.
This is for you,
Wow.
Landon. It has a name. This is for Marie.
Thank you so much.
And this is for Baby Lana.
Oh, nice.
The small one, okay? And everything is for Baby Lana. Lana.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the,
So if it goes brown out, okay,
you can
you have a fun. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
Right?
you so much.
Okay.
Thank
cool.
you so
And
much.
another one, I have something for you guys. And that's for the mosquitoes away, like that. So,
Yeah.
this is something for you guys because the solar is very popular, right?
Yes.
I did not buy that.
Okay.
Because it's expensive.
Oh, yeah.
But I have something for you
Okay, what is it?
that you're gonna need
What is it? What is it?
in case of emergency.
A flashlight. I think.
This is what you call the multifunction camping light.
Ano yan? Is it a solar?
It's not a solar because solar is very expensive. This is the cheap version. Okay?
You will put this in where?
There's battery you can charge. What if there's no power, there's no solar? This is what you call the manual. It's charging when you do this.
Ay.
Okay?
Yeah.
It's gonna charge. So you're gonna have a bright feature. A bright light. Okay?
Oh my God, baby, that is
It has a different.
Wow.
That's nice.
So, you don't need solar, you just need to...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do the hustle.
Solar.
See? There's an emergency. So just do this to charge it. If there's no solar and there's
We should always bring this anywhere we go. Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
So
Thank you so much.
this is for the emergency purposes. I have something for you na alam kong gustong mo. Nagbigay na ako ng pamaypay sa inyo, di ba?
Yes.
Sobrang magugustuhan. Sobrang magugustuhan mo to. Dahil sa panahon ng crisis ay kailangan mo to. O, bigit ka muna. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ilaw din. Ay, radyo!
Oo, yung kanina. Paras tayo may ganun, Harvey. O, di ba? Gusto niya yan eh. Look at Harvey's. Ate.
Radio.
This is a radio. Solar radio.
Oh!
So, there's a, ano ba to? Compass. And then, there's a light.
Nakita ko kanina sa ito. Sabi ko, paano ganda naman.
Tapos, Harvey, ganun din siya. You can also charge this if there's no solar.
When you take the Deia principle and you look at what
Bagpus mo na kasi sa'yo. Balik
Hindi! Ito mo yun. Ayun yun. Yan na yun. Nasa labas kasi tayo eh. Pero yan, ganyan lang din yun. Ay!
SOS.
SOS? Ay, oo nga.
Ito dito.
Partida, niregalo mo lang yan. Alam niya.
Mas alam niya pa, di ba? Ay, sakit sa mata, tanga ka. Radyo para kapag biglang
Thanks.
Rubataw. Di ba nagpunta mo dito kasi nalaman siyang may something. Asa na? Tangin na hanger. Ano nga bibigay mo? Sa panahon ng krisis, anong bibigay mo?
Solar.
Wow! Ate, may pa-solar si Harvey, oo.
Oh.
Binakso pa ha, nagamit mo na ata yan eh. Ito yung pwede ka mag-charge ng ano, ng
Phone, sa
cellphone.
phone.
Long, ganda naman. Ate Mario.
Igalo mo muna.
Ah, tapos ayun na siya. Hindi mo pang araw lang to, bakit kumaano sa
Araw yan eh.
Araw ba yan?
liwanag yan eh.
Ah,
Dito yung Type-C.
pag gusto mo i-charge.
Oh, phone mo. Okay, power bank. Ito, USB. Ito Type-C. Pwede
Ang
sa
ganda.
kotse, papatong mo.
Ang ganda. Sakto, bibili dapat ako ng ganito eh.
Bibili mo malaki.
Oo. Naantay ko yung malaki.
Ubusan eh. Meron isa
Mag-ingat po tayo at maging handa po tayo sa mga mangyayari sa mga susunod. Hindi naman sinasabi magpanik kayo ha, pero maging handa na tayo.